Welcome to your Queen's Kitchen Royalties. I'm just going to be making some soursop juice, and this is a strong back soursop juice. My girlfriend requested it, so here I have a soursop. I already removed the skin from the soursop, and I'm just going to take out this piece of the soursop, which is the center. We call it the heart of the soursop. And I'm just going to mash everything just like so with my hands. After you have everything nice and mashed, then we're just gonna add some water. You see, nice and mashed. We're just gonna add some water to this, and then we're gonna start to juice. So I'm just gonna go add some water. So you don't need a lot of water, and then you're just gonna squeeze the pulp and everything so you can get out the nice juice out of the soursop. Hello precious curious, how are you doing? Just making some soursop juice, some strong back for my girlfriend. So as you can see, all of the juice were squeezed out. Let me show you here. Oops. So let me just clean that up. And what we're gonna do now, we're just going to squeeze this out. So here I have like a jug. You can use anything to squeeze this out, and you can use a strainer, but I have a bag right here that I use to strain all my stuff. So I'm just going to pour this in and squeeze it out. It's much easier for me to do it like this than to use the strainer. But if you don't have this piece of cloth or a bag or anything that you can use to do the straining, then go ahead and use your strainer, okay? So this is what it is, and we're just going to strain this out. So let me just clean that up again because I'm showing you, so it's dripping. Don't worry, we'll clean it after. So I'm just gonna squeeze and get out all of that nice juice. And we have a lot of goodness that we're gonna be putting into this. So as you can see in the jug, I hope you can see that the juice, we're getting all of that juice out, and then we're gonna juice this a second time. So as you can see, the juice is coming out into the jug, and we're just going to be left with the pulp, but we're going to juice it again just to make sure that we get everything out. And this is the easiest way to do this. Okay, there we have it. See all of that juice? Gonna squeeze all of that goodness out. See that? Yep. Bless up on yourself. Bless up everybody. What do we have here? We have Nicole, Yard Style Cooking. Bless up yourself. Just making this juice for my girlfriend. Bless up everybody in the chat. 8 lovely people in the building. 5 thumbs up. Thumbs up the live, guys. Come on. Alright. So that is a juice that we currently have. So I'm just going to catch some water on the pulp. So here is the pulp. And I'm just going to juice this again. Thumbs up the live, guys. Thumbs up the live. Alright, so gonna put this back down here the second time, and we're gonna do the second juicing because we don't waste anything, so we have to juice it twice. Make sure we get out everything. See what I'm saying? Yep. So now we're gonna start squeezing again, and we're gonna strain this just to make sure that we don't have any. I don't like when the pulp is in there. Hey, Chef Andre. Hey, Teflon. Just here making some delicious soursop juice. Strong back from a girlfriend. Squeeze out all of that niceness, all of that goodness. It's just easier for me to squeeze it in this nice convenient bag. Make sure someone get out everything, huh? Yeah. What do we have in here? Hey, Marie. How are you doing? Make sure someone get out everything, guys. No one waste anything. All right. Seems like I eat that. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So I'm just gonna strain this off again. Bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. So I'm just gonna grab my strainer and strain that off. And I like when no drugs or pulp or anything in a my soursop. So you see all of that niceness? Yeah. Good, good, good. Alright. So I'm just gonna throw it back in my jug now. I'm gonna rinse out my jug. I'm gonna throw it back in my jug. Okay. Hey Jewel, how are you doing? Alright, so I start done juice now. So time for the goodness. So time for add all our little mix up. So I have Nutramins. I don't know what my girlfriend up to, you know, but she requested this one, so I add a Nutramins. Can you use Supplegent? You don't know that already. Alright. So that's the Nutramins. And she said she wants sea moss gel in her head. She out to do something. What do you think, guys? What do you think she ought to do? Huh? Why did she request this? She up to something, but she don't want to tell me. So I'm gonna give her 2 tablespoons of the sea moss gel. If I don't know how to make the sea moss gel, I'm gonna leave the link for it. Oh, sorry, for all those who don't understand patois. I'm gonna leave the link for the sea moss gel in the description below. Alright. So you don't know, so we're gonna go in with 1 tiger malt. I hope the jug can't hold, because I might have to throw it out again if the jug can't hold. And I'm going in with the Guinness. Bless up on herself, bless up on herself. What when I laugh, but I Shappy. Chef Andrea, what you laughing about? What my girlfriend up to? That and I laugh about because me don't know she requested this, so I said to her, if you want it, sweetheart, I'll make it for you. Peanut punch. It look like my jug can't hold in, guys. I'm not going to throw it out again. Let's see. I'm going to spice it up and then I sweeten it. So I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. So 1 tablespoon. Probably I just fry the jug, fry it up with the Guinness and stuff. So that's 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And of course I don't know, so we have to add a little cinnamon powder. So we're going with about 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder and about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You know, nutmeg can make your punch bitter, so you don't want to add a lot. Yeah. Look good. I think the jug can hold. I think I fry it up. Let's look. Oh, sorry. I forgot that I have viewers that don't speak patois. I think the jug can hold. I think it's just frothy on top. And so we're going to sweeten now. And I'm going in with 1 condensed milk, a sweet milk, or any sweetener that you want to use. And normally when I make this, I don't have to judge or estimate. I know that it takes the whole full tin of sweet milk. And I like one time when you get sweet milk, them sweet milk, yeah, foolishness. Them no sweet, none at all. So I'm going to the full thing, tin of milk. I don't know if my girlfriend want a white rum, but normally I don't add a little white rum, but because she have a Guinness in there, you know, I don't want to drunk her. I don't know what she up to. So we just have to spin up this. Them water down the milk, yes. Like one time when I hear about sweet milk, may I tell you, 1 spoon of sweet milk could have sweetened your porridge. Now, the whole thing you put in your porridge, your juice and everything, and it still can't sweet. Wanna think if I add the white rum in this, wanna think? Why am I gonna add 1 Kaka Ray and nephew, you know, because I can't make punch without you. Well, on a Ray and nephew I get, yeah, Ray and nephew. Jay gone. I don't know where Jay gone, because you know it used to be Jay, Ray and his nephew. So I add 1 little Kaka the Ray. Why? My girlfriend, I don't know what she up to, you know, what she requested this. I'm sorry, how she never there here when I make this. I don't know what she up to, people. Wanna tell me? Wanna think she up to? She out to kill somebody, but me not got prison, you know. That's why I come live. Just to make you know, say, that my intention is pure. My intention is pure. Okay? She requests it, and because I'm a girlfriend, I say, alright, I'm gonna make this fair. But my intention is pure, pure, pure. That, you know, a little tip. Put in your thing there, your nutmeg, before you add the condensed milk. Because when you add the condensed milk, come I know this and I'm do it the opposite. When you add the condensed milk, and then I add the nutmeg, it kind of hard to dissolve. I don't know if you ever did know that, but me know that I'm still do it the opposite way. But nothing wrong, a spice. Just that you have to take a little longer to blend it out. Stay there. Oh, it gone. Somebody says something, I'm going to read back over the comment name. But now leave in the comment section and tell me. Me probably I go on an update when I find out from my friend what she up to. Leave in the comment section and let me know. What you think my friend up to? Why she requests this drink? Tell me. Probably she like it. Cause the first one that I made, I gave her some. So probably she like it. So I don't know. Yo, jug too full in a star. Don't let me know what thing she up today, please. I'm gonna sample some still. You know them thing you know for drink it ice, but it's not so cool right now and I cannot drink it without the ice or without it cool. Don't put no ice. Don't put no ice in your drinks, guys. Don't put no ice in your punch. Because it's not cool, I'm gonna have some right now. That's the reason why I'm putting some ice. Alright, I'm just gonna pour it on a little bit. Don't throw away. Yeah. You know something, I'm gonna put in the other peanut punch in there. Since me throw it some, because the 2 peanut punch she did carry, so I assume so she want 2 in there. Wow. I don't know what she up to, massa. But a girl up to something when this a strong back here. Anyway, not just that this is a strong back. You all know the benefits of soursop, the sea moss gel that I just used. Cinnamon is also good for you, and I have a bit of cinnamon in there. White rum good for you. Every Jamaican have to take a little bit of white rum when they have flu. Any some? So everything good for you in this. Let's play along. Wow. Yeah. So I eat that, guys. Yeah. So thank you all for stopping by and help me mix this lovely punch for my friend. So let me know what you all think. Let me know what you all think my girl is up to. Why my girl requested me to do that strong back punch. Let me know. Okay? Alright. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen. Let me turn this around so you can see my lovely punch. There it is. Remember what I told you about the what do they call it? The nutmeg, but that's okay. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Remember, leave me a comment, okay?